Today, we're diving into something that's taking the crypto world by storm, earning passive income through DeFi. If you're interested in making your money work for you in the world of decentralized finance, this video is for you. Let's get started. What is DeFi? So, first things first, what exactly is DeFi? DeFi stands for decentralized finance, and it's all about using blockchain technology to recreate traditional financial systems like lending, borrowing, and earning interest, but without the need for a bank or any middleman. Instead, everything happens on smart contracts, which are basically programs that automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met. Passive income opportunities. Now, let's talk about how you can earn passive income with DeFi. There are several popular ways to do this, and I'll cover the basics of the top methods. 1. Staking. First up is staking. If you hold certain cryptocurrencies, you can stake them, which basically means locking them up in a network to help secure it and validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards, kind of like earning interest on your savings account. For example, Ethereum 2.0 allows staking, and you can earn a percentage of your staked tokens as a reward. Next, we have yield farming, which is one of the hottest trends in DeFi. Yield farming allows you to lend or stake your crypto on a DeFi platform to earn returns, often in the form of additional tokens. The more demand there is for liquidity in the platform, the more you can potentially earn. But keep in mind, it's riskier because the rewards depend on market conditions. Another option is becoming a liquidity provider. This means you supply crypto assets to decentralized exchanges, like Uniswap, so others can trade them. In return, you earn a portion of the transaction fees. The more trading volume, the more you earn. But there's something called impermanent loss you'll need to watch out for, which I'll cover in a future video. Lastly, we have crypto lending. DeFi platforms like Aave or Compound allow you to lend out your crypto to others, and in exchange, you earn interest on those loans. This can be a great way to generate steady, passive income, especially if you lend stablecoins, which are tied to traditional currencies like the US dollar, making them less volatile. Now, while earning passive income in DeFi sounds exciting, it's important to remember that it's not without risks. DeFi is still a new and evolving space, and things like smart contract bugs or market crashes can lead to losses. Always do your research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. So, there you have it. That's a quick overview of how you can earn passive income through DeFi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto content. And let me know in the comments, are you already earning passive income through DeFi, or are you planning to get started? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.